Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn about Node.js and NPM. So what is Node and what is NPM? So let's start. Node.js. You can see here is the definition and summary of explanation about Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment which include everything you need to execute program written in JavaScript. Okay, it's used for running script on the server and render content before it is delivered to a web browser. So this is the function of Node.js. And how about NPMs? NPM stands for Node Package Managers, which is an application and a repository for developing and sharing JavaScript code. Like for example, you want to install, you want to get some library like Bootstrap package, like library and other library, okay, like plugin, framework, application, yes, and you can use npm install, okay, which library you want. So how to install the Node.js and npms, okay? So in here is the link for you to download it. You just copy it and go try to go to Google and you will see, like for example we go to Google and just type Node.js for download and you will see the nodejs.org. In here you can download, okay, and install. So the install is it's a little bit step and it's very easy. And after you install, you can check your Node.js is completely success or not. You can go to CMD and just type Node with. Okay, you can see the version of the Node.js. It means that I have installed it already. So yes, you can try to install by yourself. Okay, if you have any problem, you can comment in my videos. So you can check the by node, okay, and also use npm also, like npms, okay. Okay, you can see here's the version of npms. Now we move to the next step, and if you want to upgrade, it's a very simple and easy. You just download a new version and install it again. Yes, and we move to the how to uninstall Node.js and npm on Windows. You just go to start buttons. You just go in here, and then you're looking for setting. Yes, and you go to apps, and you looking the program in here, and just click on it and uninstall it. Okay. So it's very easy for you. I think we can go to the next step. So the basics of Node usage, here is the sample code for Hello World. It is the first project, first program on Node.js. Okay, and how to run the first project in Node.js. So you can see here's the step for you uh, to debug the project. Okay, you just write the code hello world and then you open PowerShell or a command prompt and you just switch to the project folder and then you just write notes and the part of project like my Node.js, okay, and it will look nothing happen, okay, but it run it in background, okay. And when you have a first development on Node.js, it will ask you the mistakes allow the traffic, okay, so you can click allow, and then after the next project is not come again. And you can go to open the browser and enter the following address by here, just localhost, and the port is 80 and 80. It will run hello world project. So now let's go to create the first project of the uh, Node.js, and I will show you in the next video. Okay, so please let's go to the next video.